It's a little late to turn the camera on now, but I had a few problems this morning. You see this? So I'm in my truck hauling soybeans, and I'm 15 minutes away from the grain elevator when I smelled something burning. Well, this is what it was. The belt went bad, and it was the tensioner. The sun is going to be a problem here. The tensioner pulley is what went bad. The bearing is bad in this, and so it caused it to stop, which then burnt the belt, which then caused the water temperature to go up, which then shut the truck down. And I was stopped, or coming to a stop at this traffic light. So truck cut off in the middle of the road. So I had to override the system to get me off of the road. I'm in a church parking lot of all places. Praise Jesus, yes. So I made some phone calls. I just had the parts delivered. My daughter bought the tools up to me to get this belt back on. So hopefully this solves my problem, and I can get these $13 soybeans delivered and get my check to pay for the parts. New belt, and putting on the tightener now. That's a lot of moving to do. Damn it.
Oh no.
Oh no. Put the damn socket. Oh Jesus. No, I don't need that to finish the job. All right, now. Oh wow, I do have a lot of. Oh shoot. Not that much.
Your socket?
No, I don't, but
I don't think your belt's the right size.
It doesn't appear that way. But it's no other way it can go on there.
Maybe Jeffrey should have been your roadside call.
No.
Is your tensioner thing the right one?
Yes, that one is right.
Okay.
Okay, let's verify the belt is the right size.
Can we verify that in a warm truck? verify that in a warm truck?
No.
You might want to start at the numbers so you know where you started at.
Step on that. Lift your feet up. Got it.
Doesn't look right.
Alright, let's see.
Am I supposed to still be stepping?
Hold on, let me figure out where this part goes. Well, it's close. It's close.
Well, did you have a it's close moment over here, or did you have a it's not close
I don't know.
moment?
I gotta. All right, so. Let me make sure I have it. That the tightener on goes. Oh hell! Now I need the damn.
I got it out.
Oh, did you?
It's right
Okay,
here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Can you pull on the belt to get it around that bottom? Can you pull it? Does it go like there? Yeah, but it's not on this other one.
Alright, so it goes around there. So yes, it should. It does go on there. I
Okay.
wonder if on the other side I had it screwed up the last time. That it was hung on something.
Okay, do you need me to get over there? You know I could probably fit right there and hold something.
I think it may have been hung up on a bolt on the other
Okay.
side originally.
to take your chances again?
There we go. It was supposed to do that the first time. Okay.
Okay, we good to go?
I think we are. Let me start it and make sure.
I'm sure you can move.
Alright, I didn't do anything else. Let me check the water. Back in business. All right, I think I'm ready to sell these $13 soybeans. We're back on the road again. See ya. See ya.